show almost done, you know.
I know, it's your fault.
All right, we're going to go through this rapidly.
Go.
Apparently there's a... Are we ready yet?
Yeah.
So apparently there's that video going around with these youngsters showing a gun. The police are seeking the public's assistance in finding the 4 youngsters.
Is that a real instrument?
Well, I don't know, but the police seem to think so, because they apparently in the video you could hear them. It says we have received video footage and we are very concerned. We have commenced investigations into the matter using available technology. However, we are appealing to persons who may have information about their identity to come forward. So said Superintendent of Police and Head of the Corporate Communications Unit, Stephanie Lindsay.
She's saying, come in with your attorneys.
Yeah, or
Bring
your parents. I don't understand why any youngster would want to not only do that privately, but why would you do that and...
No, it's a different culture now.
Incredible.
You know, you have a gun, it's cool.
But it's almost like you say, nobody can do nothing. Watch out, nobody can
But
do
that's,
nothing.
I want to tell you, that's how a lot of these young people feel.
Kind of crazy.
Invincible.
Kind of crazy.
Wow.
What's the next one?
Ronaldinho, arrested in Paraguay after fake passport claims. He's being held by police in Paraguay for allegedly using a fake passport. Why would he do that, Neville?
I was just going to say the same thing. Why would you do that?
Now, are you going to hide?
I don't understand that.
That's crazy.
Fake passport with his name or Somalians. Well, that's what it look there right now. I wonder how them know it's a fake passport.
They can tell.
But why would he do that?
Remember, passports have inbuilt.
Yeah, but why would he do that?
I don't know. Anyway.
Outstanding player.
Yeah.
World Player of the Year in 04 and 05. World Cup winner in 2002. They say he's worth between 80 and 100 million pounds. And he's reported to charge 150,000 pounds for a single promoted Instagram post. Mm-hmm. Wow.
I mean,
look how much of them thing that me do, I'm gonna get nothing.
Post.
Yeah. Not post, but like people ask me to do things for them and nobody not pay me. I'm not asking somebody for payment.
When I've asked you to do things in my official capacities, I paid you.
Yeah.
You are not to allow people, unless it's something that you feel strongly about, whether it's charity or...
Yeah.
That's one thing.
Yeah.
But you have to recognize the power of your brand.
I'm a brand, don't.
If you're a brand...
Well, you're my friend and you don't tell me these things
All
and
right,
you don't come
look
work
here.
with me.
I'm working on a thing, right?
All right.
And when the thing works, sort out.
I'm involved.
I'm going to sort you.
Love it.
Right. Okay.
What's the last one? Is it the last one? It is
question.
the last one.
Especially touching moment for Grange Hill High School at its graduation ceremony 2 Fridays ago, as a mother and son graduated from the National Unattached Youth Program. Anisha Brown, who's a mother of 4, along with her 19-year-old son Orlando Barrett, both of Grange Hill, successfully completed a hospitality course which included housekeeping, waitering, cooking, and bartending. The principal, Errol Stewart, said it was really touching because we didn't even realize that these were some of the little things that we do and it's impacting lives. We are deliberately targeting the family to see if we can bring back some sense of order in the community. So, congratulations to mother and son. This is a great story. Anisha Brown and Orlando Barrett, and all the best to you both as you head out into the world of
That's
work.
fantastic, eh?
Nice story.
That's
Gosh,
fantastic.
I feel like we don't, from the other day, we haven't been getting a lot of good news, so that's a great
because I've been
story.
asking the producers to just give us some fun topics in the morning and let news deal with the news. The bad
Well, we
news.
kind of
Even
have
though
to
we
say
have
what's
deal with
going
it.
on,
Yeah,
but
we have to deal with it. But
it's a balance.